how to get Roblox on the Nintendo Switch, the updated version. So here's what you want to do. You want to go into your Nintendo Switch system settings, and here from the side we will just click on internet. Now you want to click on internet settings, and this is going to load up all of your networks. Now choose the Wi-Fi network which you are connected to. For example, I'm going to do this one, and then you want to go and change settings. So you will go into DNS settings and click on it and change it to manual. Alright, so once you have done this, you want to type this as your primary DNS. So you will click and type this 045, 055, 142, 122, and you will click on OK. Now you just want to select save. It's going to tell us that the settings have been saved, and now we want to go and connect to this network. So we're going to click on connect to this network. So it's going to tell us that we don't have internet access, but that's completely fine. All right, click on next. And then now here, just wait for a little bit. So give it some time to load. And as you can see, we have the option continue to Google. So we're going to click on continue to Google. Okay, so here you can use Google, and we're just going to search for Roblox, like so, and click on the search button. Okay, so this is going to give us roblox.com. Click on the first link right here. Give it some time to load. And there you have it. You have Roblox on the Nintendo Switch. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.